Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about one of the most powerful AI website builders out there, Durable.co. It is a powerful AI website builder that gets your website done in just a few seconds, just from a few prompts. So to get started, check out the link in the description below and type in the code KRAUS30 to get 30% off your first Durable.co website builder subscription. So to get started, the first thing that you have to do is go to the website and click on Generate Your Website. And from here, it's going to ask us what type of business we're building. So we're just going to enter that in right now. All right. And the next question is it's going to ask us where we're located. So let's just enter that as well. And then our business name. So once we're done, we're going to click on Generate Website. And we're going to wait for your website to be generated by Durable.co. So it does take a few seconds to generate your website. All right, so now that our website is ready, it'll ask us to create our free account to view and customize it. So let's just go ahead and do that. So once we've successfully signed up, it'll take us directly to your website homepage. And from here, you will be taken to what's called the page builder, where you can actually build your website and edit certain parts of this website. So if I go over here, I can quickly change the logo. I can go and select the logo source to be from a file upload, from brand or text, and all the other things, change the site name and font. And if I go lower down and click on this, I could also change the banner. And basically, if you've ever used a page builder or a blocks builder before, you might be really familiar with this. It's essentially the same thing. So you can either click on specific items here to customize it, like add the tagline, or if I change this headline, it'll automatically reflect. So it has a live preview as well. And same with the buttons, just click on that so that you can change the link type or the label or, which section this is on. And you can also change the images by clicking on that as well. Now, if you want to further customize this, there is a customize button right here that'll tell you if you want to customize the colors, the fonts, the buttons, other styles, etc. within this entire website. This could also allow you to regenerate certain aspects of this website and even rewrite text for you. So if you think this is not good enough for your website, you can just click on this and you can rewrite it or regenerate the content easily using Durable.co's AI. And from here, if you're quite happy with everything that's on the site right now, you can just click on Save to save the page, and that will automatically be what your site's going to look like. You could also add more pages by clicking on the Pages button right here. Here you see we have the home page, and then you can add a page, add a blog post, or even add a folder to organize your pages. If you have an already existing page, you can click on this and select the page settings, or even duplicate it if you want to. And really quickly, if you want to change the settings of this page as well, you can just click on this page name here and click on the gear icon, and it'll show you the title, the label, and other SEO related things relating to your page. You can even add additional custom code or scripts to the header or the footer of this page. Now, once you're happy with that, you could actually click on this to preview your website without the whole page builder format. And if you're really happy with it now, you can immediately publish it by clicking on this publish button right here, where you would actually need to select a plan to publish it. Again, enter the code KRAUS30 to get 30% off of your subscription. All right, so going back, there are a couple of more options that we have to check aside from the whole page builder area here. If we click on the home icon, it'll take us to our dashboard, where we can see, first of all, it'll show us the website analytics. So over here, you can see our visits per day, most viewed pages, and several other things related to your website. Aside from that, if you click on blog, you could actually post them directly from here. So if you click on add post, it'll take you to a new page, technically, that is created to write a post on your website. Now, this post will be automatically added directly to your website if you have a link for the blog section on your site. And from here, you can also use the AI to generate prompts or even improve the text that you're going to be writing on your website. And once you're happy with that, you can just click on publish to actually publish the blog. If we go back to the website menu, on the next tab, we have Optimize, and these are just simple optimization suggestions in relating to SEO and several other things on your website. So as you can see here, there are several keywords for SEO that is suggested for you that you can work on. Or aside from that, you could also add a custom domain, create your blog, which is kind of the blog page with the posts that we were talking about earlier. And you could also add social links to your website to also improve SEO. Aside from that, speaking of the domain, you could also get a domain for your website website directly from the dashboard. Just search for the domain here and click on get it, and Durable.co will process everything for you. Or if you don't want to get a permanent domain, there's also a durable domain available to you here, which is this one, artsandartists.durablesites.com. If you want to check on the settings for this domain or subdomain, I would say, just click on that and you can definitely change it from here. Aside from that, we also have the settings tab, which has all the settings related to your site. So you have their website status, the home page, search indexing, custom code, and all that. Same settings as the one earlier in the page builder section. And then another good thing about Durable.co is that it's not only a website builder. Yes, they have a really powerful and wonderful AI website generator, but they also have a couple different things aside from the website builder. So what they are actually is kind of a place where you can manage your entire business, so all the aspects of your business. So if you go to the marketing tab, it'll actually have a lot of options to help you with the marketing as well. CRMs here as well, invoicing, agents, and other business settings. So every account that you create is a business within Durable.co. But for this video, we're focusing on the website builder, which is again really great and really easy to use. But yeah, just know that if you want any of those features as well added to your business, you can easily get them from Durable.co. Now, aside from that, we also have this menu right here that'll show you your account settings and some other related options. Over here, if you have more businesses, you can also switch or create new ones from this menu right here. So overall, it's a really simple and really easy tool that you can use to start building your website really quickly. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to do server hostings or domains and DNS and all that. Durable.co takes care of that for you. And all you got to start with is a prompt to AI. Right? So it doesn't have to be perfect as well. All you have to do is give it all the information that it needs, and it's going to successfully take care of that for you. So that's how easy it is. I hope you guys learned something from here. Again, if you want to get started on your Durable.co subscription, check on the description below and use the code KRAUS30 to get 30% off of your subscription. Let me know if you have any questions, and till the next one.